What's going on, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about Uber Eats, what it's like to drive for Uber Eats, how much money you can make driving for Uber Eats, how to sign up for Uber Eats, and I'm even going to show you some live footage of me actually taking a delivery and delivering it to the customer. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Alright, so if you don't know, and if this is your first time to the channel, I'm Nick Newsome. This is the Rideshare Hustle. This channel is all about giving you the best tips and strategies for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers today. This is the best channel on YouTube to give you the best tips, strategies, and the best ways to make more money. So if you haven't subscribed already, you might want to think about subscribing. Not only that, but there's a little bit more. So on this channel, we do the free dashcam giveaway. This dashcam giveaway is happening every single month. In order to do that, you need to go to the link in the description below, click on the link for the free dashcam giveaway. You got to submit your email to the dashcam giveaway, and then also you need to subscribe and you need to ring the bell so you get notified when I do a live stream, because we're doing the dashcam giveaway during a live stream. Now let's get to the video where I show you live action of me taking a delivery, going to pick it up, going to drop off the delivery. You're going to see everything, and I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made. I'm going to tell you all the tips, all the do's and don'ts about driving for Uber Eats. Now, who drives for Uber Eats, right? So I drive for Uber and Lyft. You can see the Lyft placard back there. I'm in the back seat of my car right now. And what happens is, so I don't always do Uber Eats, but sometimes during the middle of the day, I want to make some money and there's not a whole lot of rides going on. So what I'll do is I'll do Uber Eats. I'll grab some lunch orders and try to fill up my day. So that's what it's about. I drive for Uber and Lyft. I've been driving for over 2 years, given over 5,000 rides. And then, I'm going to share with you my experience about driving for Uber Eats. So here we go. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I got a delivery going on. I didn't even realize that I had the delivery option on, but we're going to Smashburger. It was like, so with Uber Eats, it's going to be they give you the number that it's going to be, the dollar amount. So it was like $7.50. I was on the highway headed home, got taken way out of my area. So I was headed home and I was like, oh, I got hit for a delivery. I'm like, all right, $7, yeah, let me grab some gas money on the way home. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna head over there and see what's up. So this is delivery. This is like my third or fourth delivery, but I'm trying to get my delivery ratings up. So let's check it out. And plus I want to do a video for you guys. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we got the order, and so let's go. So unfortunately, I can't use, there's some glitch in my phone right now, and I can't do any video on my phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the dash cam. And by the way, on the channel, we're doing the free dash cam giveaway. Link in the description. Doesn't cost you anything to sign up. All you gotta do is click the link, follow the instructions, and you're gonna be entered for the monthly free dash cam giveaway. Let's get on with the Uber Eats order. How do I get out of here? I've been in this area before, but I'm just not used to it. And this plaza's super huge. We got everything going on. Let's go over here. It's rainy today, crappy day. We're gonna take this right, stop, make sure we stop, no cops. Okay, let's go. We're going to New England Baptist Outpatient Care Center. Stopped at the stoplight, so let's do a little fast forward and get to the end of the video. Oh, great, okay. So I think I'm gonna go up here to the left. Looks like it, New England Baptist Outpatient. So this is the crappy part, because as you can see on the map, my stop was back there. But the pin, I don't know. Just the GPS is messed up sometimes, and here's the thing where you gotta do, guys and girls. You have to figure out exactly where to go on your own. But the red pin's over here, so let's keep going with this. Let's go over here. This looks like the front door. I'm gonna try this front door over here. So let's go with D-Sawan. Oh, this might be my Uber Eats order right here. Yep, okay. right, not bad. So that was pretty awesome. She was out there waiting, so we'll go delivered. Everything was cool. And let's see. Okay, so that wasn't bad. You know, Uber Eats, it's not my favorite thing to do, but it's really good as a secondary option when you're driving with Uber. It fills in the gaps. You know, and right now I'm on my way home. Need to go home, got to edit some videos. I'm going to edit this video. But it's a really good way to fill in the gaps when there's no... here we go, another one. Okay guys, so that was the Uber Eats experience, you know, for me as a driver. Hope you liked that viewpoint, and if you have any questions, definitely comment below. And I want to share with you the tips now, like what I think is good about Uber Eats and what I think is bad about Uber Eats. So, like I said in the beginning, I hope you guys like my apartment. I'm right in front of the door right now. Got the sun shining out there. I don't know if you can hear the birds. It's probably hard to see. But outside right now, I am in Boston. This is the beginning of March, and it's actually really warm today. It's really, really, really nice day. My eyes are going to be squinting if I stay over here like this. But I want to show you the water. So that's my view from the balcony. So what is good about Uber Eats? When it's dead, like during the day, if you're really trying to capitalize on your time and you really want to make a lot of money, I think that doing Uber Eats, turn that on and getting some like lunch orders and things like that is a really good way. Is a really good like substitute to your regular Uber driving, right? So if you know during the day, like I said, it really dies down sometimes, and even sometimes when in the video I got taken way out of my area where I like to be, so and then I forgot that I had the delivery option on, and you know, so I got some rides. So that's really good. Another thing that I think is good for Uber Eats is I got another ping like right after that one. So what I noticed is, so now you know you're not going to travel around a lot. You can stay in that one area, and you can just like keep circling around and getting rides. And another great way to do that is to know where the ride's going to be. So there's two tips for you, right? It's a good way to substitute your income during the day. Another thing is you're going to be in the same area, so it's going to keep you local, like to wherever you are at that one time. So you might even just be running laps, you know, back to the same restaurant, in and out, just like going to local businesses, bringing food over there. The third thing that I noticed too that you could do, if you want to know where the Uber Eats orders are going to be, download the Uber Eats app, and like, so you're going to like where you would order food from, you open up the app and then you can look and see what restaurants are on there, and then you can go wait at those restaurants. So I think that would be a good way to do it, because you know that the Uber Eats orders are coming from those restaurants, right? Because they're all the ones that are listed in that app. So that's a great way to figure out where the best locations are going to be for Uber Eats. And I did get, and I want to post up here right now. So I did get a tip from those people. So the ride paid me like a little over $7, and then I got another, like they tipped $7 on top, which was really awesome. So if there's a big order and it's a group of people, maybe everybody will chip in $1 or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, you know, a couple bucks or whatever. So the ride actually turned into a $15 order. So there's like 4 tips right there that I think Uber Eats is really great for. Now, what do I think is bad? The only thing I don't like is the dollar amount. So it doesn't matter how many miles you're traveling, the dollar amount is the dollar amount. It's going to tell you right up front. It's going to tell you right up front how much you're going to make. I do like that, so that's good. But unfortunately, like based on the miles, like, so we're not getting paid per mile, you're just getting paid per delivery. And if the ride, if it takes a long time, if the food's not ready, which I haven't had that happen yet, by the way, but let's say the food's not ready, or there's traffic, or you can't find the delivery place and it takes you a while to maybe find parking or to deliver. Now you're not getting paid for that time. So it's like quickness is key. So you have to be quick on those deliveries in order to capitalize. That was like one thing I didn't like. The other thing I don't like is the fact that, you know, you got food in your car, so it's gonna smell up your car. So if you're driving people on a regular basis, like I do, you know, your car's gonna smell like food, and it might be offensive to some people, and it might not be the best idea. So there's the other thing. And I think like the third thing I don't like is like not having enough cup holders. So in this one, I didn't have any drinks, but in other Uber Eats orders, I have had to have drinks, and I don't like having drinks in the car because they can tip over real easy. So you got to have a good setup for the drinks. That's definitely something I didn't like. If you drive for Uber Eats, definitely I want to hear from you below, and if you're thinking about doing it now, definitely comment below as well. I want to hear your thoughts on driving for Uber Eats. If you're thinking about becoming an Uber Eats driver or an Uber driver, the link is in the description, so make sure you click the link and sign up. And if you use my link, I'll be here to coach you and help you and give you any advice and any help that you need along your journey so that you're successful right from the beginning. The biggest thing that I wish I had when I first started was a mentor. I jumped in, I signed up, and I tried to figure everything out on my own. And I wish I had a mentor to show me the way and show me the best tips and strategies and tricks. And that's what I do for people that use my link. So definitely use my link if you want to sign up, and I'll help you and guide you through your whole process. If you want to see how much money you can make as an Uber driver in addition to Uber Eats, check out the video on the end screen right here, and I break down all the pay that I make as an Uber driver. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.